Hey, so today we're actually gonna do a short video just wrapping up the 69 Chevelle. Those of you who watched our videos like a long time ago, we had started to do like kind of like a how-to, how we do installing seat covers on an actual, the seats for this car. Unfortunately, the job was kind of put on hold, and then now the car just got finished up. So it came back to us. Of course, upholstery guys are always the ones who end up getting screwed. You know, the car was at the body shop forever, ever. Then all of a sudden, boom, last minute, we got to get this thing done. So we have like 2 days, and it's not a big deal what we have to do, but it's kind of hard to reschedule your work around this stuff. As you can see, we're putting the headliner together. We're going to put the dome light in it, try to wrap that up. EPG Auto Glass is actually coming over to put the glass in it today, and then we're done with it. I'll show you some of the stuff that we actually finished. So the seat covers are on. They're getting ready to go in the vehicle today, this morning. Ian is over here cleaning up the back seats so that they could go in. We did those, I don't know, I think it was like 7 months ago.
Yeah, I'd say about a year of dust.
So those are going back in today. We're actually not putting it fully together. We're kind of just throwing the seats in it now, just so that they're in the vehicle. He's putting it in storage for the winter, and it's kind of like a rush thing, so we're just getting it together.